Let's take a look at this morning's morning move on the German DAX A30. I'm done for the day, guys. Okay, so some really nice profits on the morning move, trading the color method using our software here. This moved down at 6:30 Monday morning. 6:30. Wow, what a time to short the markets. We've got a lovely red on the German DAX. This was, I mean, nearly hit 100 points just on this 2-minute chart drop. I wasn't in that trade, unfortunately. 6:30, I was making my way to Trading College Towers and missed this completely short side move. Okay, but I took this trade here, and the reason I took this trade, you can see this red all the way down. The storyteller, when it gets really oversold, we call it peaking out, then we look for the green color buy. I mean, you can see the green, it turns from red to green. Trax had one green, so stop placement was quite tight on this, but that pushed up really nicely for a nice profit. And then we got this red side signal to short the market here at 24.12, and that dropped all the way down for like 30 points. I didn't take that trade. I was looking for long side trades this morning, especially after this big sell-off here. We started to get really oversold. So this next buy signal came just after the market opened here at 8 a.m. And at 8 a.m., equities are opening, the cash sessions are opening here in Europe, and you get some wide-ranging candlesticks, but it turned green. We bought that in the trading room, went long on that one. That was a decent trade. That pushed all the way up to 72, so that's a 40-point move. Really nice profits on that. And then we didn't take the short side on the red here, which would have been a profit. However, we took this green buy signal, okay? And you can see red to green, know exactly when to get into the trade, know exactly when to exit the trade. And you can see it's turned red here. So we're done, okay? So we're done for the morning move. Nearly 100-point profit this morning on all of these trades put together. Really nice indeed. And it's only sort of, what is it, 8:30? 8:48, so we're done for the day. All right, so that's the morning move on the German DAX. The other market was the euro dollar. There was great opportunities in that to get long. I didn't take any trades in the euro dollar this morning. I wish I had done, but I was just concentrating on the DAX because the opportunities on the DAX were fantastic for the morning. Let's have a little look at the euro dollar. So here is the short side trades this morning, very similar to the German DAX. Another exit, another short side trade signal here from green to red all the way down. And then we started to get greens here, and then it was this buy signal here. I should have taken it at 68, where it told me to get in on the ProTrade System. We fired the momentum higher, and we've just pushed up green all the way. There's no exit signal. The exit signal is when it turns red or when it meets its profit target. So this was a really good 1 to 2.3 risk reward ratio on this trade. So if you're looking to get at least 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, this would have been a perfect one for you guys. All right, so at the moment it's still red in the live markets here. We haven't turned, beg your pardon, it's green, it hasn't turned red yet, and we're still, you'd still be long that market, but I didn't take that trade. It was all about the German DAX for me. All right, so if you want to trade the morning move with us, with our color method, guys, make sure you get a call back and we can give you all the details on that. It's been a fantastic morning trading the German DAX. I mean, opportunities everywhere, and I think the way the markets are setting up, everyone's long stocks, everyone is buying the stock markets. Sentiment is through the roof, and when that is in place, you tend to see a bit of a reversal to the downside. So I think that is going to happen over these next couple of days. I think this week's going to be fantastic for stocks and FX and all global markets. We're seeing the gold market pushing higher. Silver's been amazing. But trading the morning move and going for your day's money, what a day it was this morning. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon. Take care.